Wanderlog versus TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's compare both of these platforms. So on TripIt, it is easy to forward the booking confirmations, so you can add all your confirmations at one place and while roaming around you can check out all your confirmations and move around in any specific manner that you want to. It is the same when it comes to Wanderlog as well, and you can also take a look at the whole itinerary that you are going to do for a particular day, and Wanderlog offers the same. But when it comes to planning, Wanderlog is way better than TripIt. So the planning part can be better on Wanderlog, and you can plan any particular travel in any specific order. You can even move around different order points. You can add anything to any particular day. So this makes it quite easy for you to change your itinerary for a particular day on Wanderlog. But it is not that feasible when it comes to TripIt. And with just one click, you can optimize the route of your particular travel on Wanderlog, and it is not there on TripIt. But on TripIt, there is one feature which is better as compared to Wanderlog, and the feature is that you can customize some of the options in better way as compared to Wanderlog, and the more customization brings more flexibility to your travel on TripIt. So this way, some of the features on TripIt are better than Wanderlog, but some features might be good on Wanderlog. So it's all up to you which one suits you better, as both of these platforms are good and you can just simply utilize them and check out which one stands out for you. So this was a short tutorial on Wanderlog and TripIt. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.